Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this fantastic video, I will show you the full process in macro. I will make the very close shot to show you all the secrets how I make gel nails. Now I'm using the pusher for rolling down cuticles. It's necessary for preparing nails, for removing the pterygia. You see me now working with the flame drill bit. After shaping nails for preparing them for extensions, I brush off the dust and primering the nail plate. After that, I'm applying the base gel on the whole nail and cure it in LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now you see me applying forms on the pinky nail, which is broken. I'm using the sculpting mix gel and the gel brush. And at first, I'm applying sculpting mix gel on the length of the nail. After curing in 30 seconds in LED lamp, I'm applying the next coat of sculpting mix gel. It's necessary for cure each coat to the limit. And when we make sure that our gel is cured, we are removing the tacky layer using rubbing alcohol and the wipe. So now guys, you see me working with the barrel drill bit again. And now I'm creating the shape for these nails, and this drill bit helps me to make a lot of work. So I will need only 10 minutes, not more, for finishing this shape, the square shape of the nail. And now you see me finishing filing these nails. And it's necessary to roll down cuticles again, because now we will work with the control bit. And as I told before in my previous videos, it removes the gel in cuticles area, because now it's popular to place products under cuticles in Russian style manicure. And when we make gel nails, sometimes gel can be floated into the cuticles, and this control bit helps us to remove it quickly. And now I'm proceeding with filing nails from the downside. And as you can see, I'm always using the same control bit, because it works quickly with any hard product, acrylic or gel, no matter. Now guys, I'm finishing shaping nails with the file, because we need to create the flattened surface for applying the color. And finally, I'm applying the hardware manicure using the barrel gel bit. And as you can see, it removes all the dead skin without hurting it. Now I'm applying the coat of the top gel on the cuticles. It's necessary to make nails stronger. And sometimes I'm applying the base gel for preparing them for the color cut. I'm using now the sticky gel paint for preparing this nail for placing the foil. And now, as you can see, I'm placing the gold foil, and this nail, don't forget to apply the top coat at the end. And now I'm using thin brush number 00 and drawing petals of flower. I will also apply the transfer foil on this painting. We need to curve this painting in LED lamp in 30 seconds. And now, as you can see, transfer foil flower is done, and I'm covering each nail with the top coat and place the rhinestone in the center. Oh yeah, this design is fantastic. I think Every woman will happy with such amazing gold nail design. Let me know down in the comments what do you think about this fantastic nail design. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next Saturday. Bye!